here we got another quick tutorial about how to set up a Facebook page if you've never done it before. First step, I'm logging to Facebook with this random account that I got. And this is the old Facebook. There's a new version of Facebook. They're kind of in the middle of both, but it doesn't really matter because it's going to be a very similar process regardless. But I'm going to do it in the old version for ease. So once you're at your main thing, you hit pages. Go back to it. This will be your main thing. Whatever yours looks like, just hit pages. Then you should see something like this. You're going to hit create a page. Most people are going to be a business. I'm going to just assume we're dealing with everyone here just going to be a business. Name a page. I'm going to say here. No, I won't delete it immediately if it sounds phony. Edwards Bakery. And food and beverage. And so you name your page, you set your category, you can continue. Made that up. It's not a real bakery that I know of. Then it's going to ask you to upload a profile picture. Typically, if you're a business, if you're not just operating as yourself, you want to make that your business logo. And that's typically what you do. I'll skip it because I don't have a random logo. A cover photo is going to be, I'll show you, but once I get into it, I'll show you what it is, in case you don't know. But it's going to, you can choose it here, or you can just skip it for now. I'm going to just skip it. And yeah, this is a cover photo. That little piece is right there, cover photo. And you can add your cover photo here. If you skipped it, same with here. You can update your logo. So first thing you're going to want to do is tell everyone about your business. And to do that, you expand that out. That's one way. Then you go to about. It's going to ask you if you want to create an @ name for your business. You're probably not going to be able to unless you hit a certain number of likes. Yeah, see, you have to have a certain number of people like your page before you can do that. I don't, therefore, it's not going to let me. You can put the start date of your business. Let's just say started 2016, sure. Start 2016. You can edit your business type so more people can find it when they're looking for it. You can tell them my business sells goods or services, or is it a corporate headquarters or something like that. You can enter your phone number. You're going to have your own custom messenger tag right here. It's going to be the exact same thing as your Facebook number until you can, once you change this username right here, it'll update right here on your messenger account. You can also add your email, website. You can add some other accounts that you might have. That's most time not useful. You can edit your about. That's just some information you want to put. Impressum is just a short version of, it's really not necessary in America. It's, honestly don't know what it is. I never do it, so it doesn't matter. If you sell food, you can add your menu here. You can edit your privacy policy, but why? You can add a button here, such as like you can get them to come to your website. Let's see, add a button. You can book something with you if you take let me just go to it. Book now. It'll change it to book now. Contact you. You can make it contact. Send you a message. Send your email. Learn about your business. Learn more. Let's see. For example, if you had learn more, you could do them to a website click. If you did a book with contact us, you could go to a website link, or let's see, send email. You can add your email address. Basically, whatever you wanted to go there, you can put there. For now, I'm gonna just have learn more, and have we go to a random website. Is bakery gmail.com. Finish. The main things are to set up these two things and all this stuff. Those are the main things. Oops. And you can also, if you want to just knock it all out at once, when you hit the about page, you hit edit page info. It'll put everything in a thing like this, and it'll expand on the amount of information you can put in. And you're going to want to fill out as much as you possibly can. The more info, the better. The better people will find you, and the more useful the information will be when people come to your Facebook page. And all the ones in blue are ones you're definitely going to want to have. So, address. If you don't take people at your address, I would just uncheck that, or just uncheck this if you don't want people to visit you. Facebook will know your address, but customers won't try to come to your house. And then you can put your hours and all that. And if you ever have to close for a reason, like now, or something like that, you can put privacy policy, all that stuff, contacts. Yeah. This just goes down quicker. But yeah, after you fill that out, you get this updated, you're pretty much done, and it's optimized. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I'm probably coming out with another one soon.